आज होली का पवित्र पर्व है। मैं आप सभी को रंगों के पर्व होली की शुभकामना और आशीर्वाद देता हूं। आप सभी का नया वर्ष कल्याणकारी हो। So let this Holi be auspicious for all of you and all of us. Let this Holi give auspiciousness for all of us. Let the Vishnu's grace be on all of us on this auspicious day of Holi. This is one of the most important spiritual celebration in Hindu tradition. This day is celebrated in Shaivism, Shakta and Vaishnavism, all three traditions. In Vaishnava tradition, this is celebrated as the day Radha and Gopikas united with Krishna in Rasa Leela and gave them the experience of Sahasrara, means all of them had their Sahasrara chakra blossomed and experienced enlightenment. Each Gopika has experienced his own Krishna, means realizing your soul, Krishna in your soul. Such a day of spiritual ecstasy. And today is the day Gauranga, the great Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, appeared on the planet Earth. His appearance day, Chaitanya Jayanti. And in all the Shaiva Agamas, today is celebrated as the Shiva and Devi's marriage. Shiva and Devi's marriage is celebrated, and today, because we are following the Meenakshi temple tradition, we are doing it on next Purnima, Chitra Purnami. But all the Shiva temples, even in Tiruvannamalai, today is the Devi's marriage, Shiva's marriage. Shiva and Devi's marriage. And in Shakta tradition, today is the day Mahadeva initiated the Srividya Tantra, the great mantra to achieve Devi's space, was initiated by Mahadeva directly to all the Sanaka Sanatana, Sanat Kumara, all the rishis today. So the Shakta Sampradaya celebrates today as the day their Sampradaya originated. So in Vaishnavism, they celebrate as Ras Purnima, the day Krishna and Radha united, doing the Ras Leela. And today is also a day celebration after the Holika was burnt. Holika is a demon, the sister of Hiranyaksha. She had a boon that her body will not be burnt. When Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu were trying to kill Prahlada, she offers her help. She says, I have a boon, I cannot be burnt, give him, I will make him sit in my lap and both of us will sit, and you put the fire, he will be burnt, I will not be burnt. Never ever play with devotees thinking you have some powers. And after they put the fire, suddenly they saw This lady is burning, but Prahalada is not burning. Please understand. The moral of the story is, never ever fight with the devotees thinking you have some special powers. Thinking you have some powers, and finally Holika got burnt, Prahalada was untouched. That is celebrated on this auspicious day. Actually, the burning of the Holika happens yesterday night, and today is the celebration. So I bless everyone this day. Let it bring all the auspiciousness to all of us. The moral of the story is, you can't destroy a spiritual being. Second, even if you think you have a protection cover, that will be burnt. If you try to destroy any spiritual being.